Anti-detect browsers are essential tools for business users, managing multiple accounts, or anyone looking to improve their online privacy. Lauth is one such browser that makes multi-accounting seamless, even for beginners. However, the key is to pair it with reliable proxies. In this video, we'll show you how to set up Lauth with IPRoyal's reliable proxy server so you can reach its full potential without worrying about detections or blocks. We'll also cover all you need to know and explain why Lauth and IPRoyal's proxies make a great combination, so don't go anywhere. Before we dive in, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more tech tutorials. And make sure you hit the notification bell to stay updated. Now let's start with a quick overview of Lauth. This Brazilian anti-detect browser allows you to create unique and isolated browser profiles with customizable fingerprints. It features advanced fingerprinting, extensive profile customization, data management, and an intuitive dashboard that makes it a favorite among beginners. You can choose between 3 subscription plans ranging from $51 to $177.30 per month, depending on how many browser profiles and team seats you need. There are also annual plans available with a 35% discount, and new users can try Lauth for free for 7 days. However, subscribing to Lauth alone won't provide the ultimate privacy you need for efficient multi-accounting. If you want to avoid geo-restrictions, account bans, and IP blocks, you also need reliable proxies. This way you'll ensure all your browser profiles appear as if they're coming from different devices and users. Our residential proxy servers are compatible with Lauth and any other anti-detect browser thanks to their native HTTP, HTTPS and SOCKS 5 support. They are highly reliable, easy to use, and equipped with precise geo-targeting options, non-expiring traffic and customizable sticky sessions lasting up to 7 days. With over 32 million residential IPs in more than 195 locations worldwide and a pay-as-you-go plan with competitive prices and great bulk discounts, you can create the perfect proxy solution for your Lauth needs and budget. Now that you know why IPRoyal is a great fit for Lauth or any other anti-detect browsers, it's time to explain how to use them together. Here's how to get started using Lauth with IPRoyal's residential proxies. Go to the Lauth website and click the Receive Free Access button in the pop-up window. Next, create an account and complete the short survey to access the dashboard. Then click the Download Lauth button. Install the browser, launch it, and click on Create My First Profile. Navigate to the Connection and Proxy tab on the side menu. Turn on the Browse Using Proxy option. Select the desired proxy protocol. You can choose between HTTP, HTTPS, SOCKS 4 and SOCKS 5. For this example, we'll use HTTPS. Go to your IPRoyal dashboard and configure your proxies. We'll use high-end residential proxies from Harrisburg, the US, with HTTP, HTTPS support, sticky sessions, and a session duration, or TTL, of 5 hours. Scroll down to find the formatted proxy list. You can generate up to 10,000 unique sessions here, and each line represents a set of proxy credentials in the host, port, username, password format. Lauth doesn't allow proxy importing, so you'll have to enter your proxy credentials manually. Copy the proxy hostname and port from the IPRoyal dashboard and paste them into the designated fields. Turn the Proxy Requires Authentication option on and enter your proxy username and password in the appropriate fields. Then click the Save Additions button. Click the Test Proxy button to ensure your proxy is working correctly. A window will appear showing your proxy's IP location and some additional information. Click the Close button when you're done. After configuring your profile and testing your proxy, click the Save Additions button and then the Close button in the top left corner to return to the main window. Locate your newly created profile and click the 3 dots button on the right to access the menu. Select the Start Profile option. This will launch a new browser window with your profile settings. You can always use a website like IPHey to check if your browser fingerprint looks authentic. If your Lauth browser profile looks genuine, you can start using it right away. If you encounter any warnings, review your profile settings and try again. Now that you know how to integrate IPRoyal Proxies with Lauth, you can leverage this anti-detect browser to create and manage multiple social media, e-commerce or ad accounts with peace of mind. The ease of use, flexibility and privacy that both Lauth and IPRoyal's residential proxies provide will help you perform smooth, uninterrupted multi-accounting even as a beginner. So sign up for IPRoyal today and take advantage of our reliable proxies and flexible pricing to take your anti-detect browser experience to the next level. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and check out our other video on how to set up IPRoyal Proxies with more login anti-detect browser. Don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials and hit the bell icon to stay updated on our upcoming tutorials, proxy tips and more. Until next time.